Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video. Now you might hear I have a smile on my face because right in front of us we have the brand new iPhone 16. Don't worry, we're going to be coming with the iPhone 16 Plus, the 16 Pro, and the Pro Max, but today we are checking out the Ultramarine iPhone 16 in the 128GB variation. I just picked mine up and you can see straight out of the, Apple Store, the iPhone logo right over here is the same color as the Ultramarine on the phone itself, which is pretty nice. Let's just cut straight into the unboxing and the first impressions. I will be bringing a day in the life with these devices later on after all the hype dies down, but today I just want to give you guys a little unboxing, first impressions, run through of the phone itself. So let's pull this pull tab right here. Beautiful, set that aside, and the top one. Amazing. And here we go. I cannot wait to see this color in real life. I did kind of see it at the Apple Store, but I try not to look too much at it. Wow. What a phone. What a color. You know, when it's setting down just like this, it kind of looks purple, especially around the camera lenses. And once you bring it up into the light, it goes more into like a blue iPhone XR kind of look. But overall, very nice color. I would say that some in real life might say it looks like a lilac. But straight out of the box, this phone comes with new aerospace grade aluminum, and the back glass is actually color infused, which really gives it a nice finish. What else do we have inside the box? Apple changed it up. They gave us a USB-C cable, as always, but in kind of a new design. And then down here in the packaging, let's try to get that out. No Apple stickers because we're trying to be good for the environment. Let me just set that all aside. Matter of fact, I was at the store yesterday, right? And this lady was, whoops, I just clicked the camera control button by accident. Guys, we'll get to that. But this lady, right? She was there and she was like, why aren't you guys giving us charging blocks anymore? Let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about it. Just a side note. But straight out of the box, let's peel this baby off. Look at that. So satisfying. We're gonna power the iPhone 16 on for the first time. Now, how do you guys feel about, the ring around of the phone? You can really see how it's giving like those purple vibes, those ultramarine vibes. And so these phones are water and dust resistant as always, and they also come with a new minimum 1 nit of brightness and a maximum of 2000 nits, which is pretty good. The iPhone 16 still comes in at 6.1 inch and the iPhone 16 Plus still comes in at 6.7 inches. It has a customizable action button right over here, which is really nice. No more ringer switch, and it also has that new camera control button. And so we're just gonna jump straight into it. And so some of you guys might be wondering, hey, why did Apple bring back like the XS, the XR, and the XS Max cameras? Well, the reason being is because of the new spatial capture. It also has an ultra wide with macro. It has a new 12 megapixel 2x telephoto camera and a 48 megapixel main camera. It has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with autofocus as well, which is pretty nice. And so while it finishes setting itself up, now we have messages via satellite on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. It has a bigger battery and it comes in three brand new colors and like 2 normal colors, but until it comes in 5 colors, in the ultramarine, in teal, pink, white, and black. Let me know in the comment section down below what color you would personally go for. And now we have the A18 chips, specifically for iPhone 16 and 16 Plus for its compatibility with Apple Intelligence. It has a 16-core neural engine, a 6-core CPU, and a 5-core GPU. With the new visual intelligence feature, you can now take a picture of a restaurant and then your iPhone pulls out all the details. You could use it for a flyer for an interesting event. You can even ask ChatGPT for guidance through homework. And no kidding, Apple actually brought that up. And all of that is coming to camera control later this year. And so here you can see that customizable action button. Very nice to see it on the base iPhones. We're just gonna click not now and keep it to the usual ring silent. And here it's talking about camera control, that new button right over here, and you could click it to open the camera. And there you go, welcome to iPhone. So we're gonna swipe up to get started, and straight out of the box we're going to obviously head on into the camera. And so we're gonna try it. Here you go. You could already see, matter of fact, before we do that, let me just click the camera control button to show you guys what happens. I click that button and what happens? It pops up just like so. the camera. And so if I click it once, in photo mode, it takes us a picture. And then if I touch firmly onto the camera control button and I slide, you can see that I could zoom in and out, which is pretty nice. Now, let's say I'm on the video mode. I could also click it and it starts recording just like so, which is pretty sweet. I'm not sure how easy it would be to use in horizontal mode. In vertical, it's pretty sweet. You could see that it also works here in the little selfie panel. If you click and hold on the touch control, you could adjust the depth of field, you could adjust the exposure, and then if you scroll down, you could also adjust the tone or the style. I feel like this is really sweet for professionals in the industry that really want to have a more in-depth look at their camera instead of punching into Lightroom or Photoshop later on after taking the picture. And so here you could get some really sick shots. Now, this camera control button also works with certain social media, specifically Snapchat as an example, which is what Apple brought up. And so straight out of the box, these phones do ship out with iOS 18. Now, all the Apple Intelligence stuff will not be coming out until later this year, sometime in December. And other than camera control, the action button, and the new colors, that's pretty much it from the iPhone 16. Let me know in the comment section down below your thoughts if you'd pick up this phone, and stay tuned for my day in the life where I share my full review on how this phone holds up, specifically in the camera and battery. Now, how do you guys feel about all of Apple's new releases? Do you feel like they're pretty much all the same compared to last year and last year and last year and the year before that? There's a few changes, but I'm hoping that with the iPhone 17s, if they're even going to be named that next year, we could see a little jump in design, performance, whatever it is. Anyways, that's been Alex from Techrific with the iPhone 16 and the Ultramarine. If you guys like this color, make sure to go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, where I keep you guys up to date with what's going on in my tech journey. And don't think we forgot about the Apple official cases. We got the clear one and we got the silicone one, both in which we will test out on the iPhone 16 right up here. Have a great day, and until next time, stay techy.